Hi guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to change name on Facebook. So if you're new to this channel, do well to tap on the subscription button and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. I do video on app related issues and how to make money online. If you are a new returner viewer, thanks for watching. Okay, let's go straight into what we have for the day. For you to be able to change your name on your Facebook, this is what you have to do. Open your Facebook app this way. Tap on the three dots at the right corner. Tap on settings. Tap on account center. Tap on profile. Tap on the account you want to change the name. Then now you can now tap on name. Change the name. If you're not changing name, okay, look at what it says. They say if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So you better be sure of what you want. If you want to change your name, after changing it now, you tap on review. When you tap on review, it's not going to change again for the next 60 days. So after writing your name, you tap on review change. It will not change again for the next 60 days. So if you're using Facebook Lite, this is what you have to do. Go out from your Facebook app. Okay, search for Lite. Tap on Facebook Lite. On your Facebook Lite, tap on the three dots at right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Tap on personal and account information. So now this is my personal and account information. Tap on name. Now you can now enter the new name that you wish to enter, and after entering it, please take note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. So it's going to review and save the new name. But remember, after entering this new name, it will take 60 days more for you to be able to change it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and to always get notified anytime I upload videos. Thanks for watching.